everyone, my name is Mars and this is a fan, and this is probably the only fan I will ever have in this channel. Unfortunately this fan is kind of broken, so I will show you what the issue is, but for now, I'm gonna try and fix this fan and see if I can get it back to its former glory. And emphasis on try, because I'm not sure how it will turn out, okay? So yeah, let's get to it.
Here is the mini fan in question. If you notice here, the shielding seemed to have broken off. Let me just plug it in a power outlet. Switch it on, and look, the fan is not spinning continuously. My suspicion is that a part of the wire has broken off, so I want to see if rewiring this will fix the problem. Let's dismantle this to get to the insides. Using the screwdriver, let's get the feet off of there like so. Alright, nice and easy. Now let's get the front shield thingy out of there. Dismantling the thing also gives me an opportunity to clean this. Maybe it's the only thing it needs, but who knows? Okay, let's unscrew the propeller? That's what this thing is called, right? Okay, let's screw it out of there. Now let's turn our attention to the back. This thing needs to get unscrewed, so let me just use the power of editing to move like Flash. Let's give it a nice brushing to get some of the dust off. Here we go. Alrighty, time to unscrew more things and let's get to the actual inside of this. Come on. Get off there, dude. There we go. Oh my god, the dust. That is... okay. Okay, calm down and brush this thing, Mars. I'm honestly surprised that this thing only runs in this tiny circuit. Electronics really are amazing. I also like that the manufacturer just added pin connectors so you can disconnect the wires easily. Let's set aside the motor Let's set aside the motor part and focus on the power cable. So let me just cut this. Seriously? Look, I know I look like I'm using pliers, but it has a cutter part and it's dull. Let me just get another cutter. You know what? Let's just use scissors. It's easier. I actually went in and soldered them off screen so I won't bore you too much. But before I put tape in them, let me just put the pins back and test if it's working. Whoop! Now, I don't know if the video is clear enough, but the motor part seems to be spinning continuously now. That is a good sign. I put some ugly yellow tape on the soldered parts and time to put this little thing back together. Montage time! One last test to see if things still work. Beautiful. Back to more montage. It does seem like it's spinning slowly in the video, but I can assure you that it's working properly now. Here's the footage without the front shielding. Woo! Hey! I fixed a thingy! Woohoo!
So apologies for the noise, but it is pretty much spinning much faster now than earlier. So you can see, yeah, it's working really well, and I can just use it to cool myself down whenever I work. So that is one of the reasons why I wanted to give this a fix, so I can have something to cool me down in this hot, very hot summer heat. So I'm gonna turn this off so you won't hear any fan noise. And yeah, and more soldering experience for me. And thank goodness that I only need to solder the outer wires, because the next step I would take if it doesn't work is to hardwire everything and remove the connectors and hardwire everything, but thankfully I don't need to do that. So I hope you enjoy this little fix that I tried to do. This is just for entertainment purposes. And really just me trying to fix stuff, because I hate it when stuffs break, especially electronics. So I try to fix them at the best of my abilities. So thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!